Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We are here today with the collaboration from Creative Nails. It is a group of gals off of Instagram and YouTube that we come together once a month to do a theme. This month our theme is monochrome, black and white designs only. So what I decided I'm going to do 5 different shaped nails. And I'm going to do 5 different designs. So we're going to crack on. I'm going to do this nail, the pinky nail. I'm going to do a French on that one. We're going to start with there and work our way towards the thumb. So for this, I'm going to be using a black sticky stamping polish by She Modern. Got my jelly stamper, which is reinforced, which is a beautiful thing. Check out SheModern.com. Check out their catalog. Use my code at checkout. NailedIt67 will save yourself 10% off. So I don't know if I should go for this design. This is not a pinky nail by any means. This is probably my middle nail. So I think I'm going with this one. We're going to try this one out, see how it works for us. And we should be good to go. When you scrape, ladies, scrape low and slow. You don't need to be in a hurry with the sticky stamping polish. You have got plenty of time. Oh, buddy. Okay. Beautiful pickup. And this was always on She Modern now. Beautiful the first time. I did it. I did it. When I was trying to do some others, God, when was it? It was with the white. Oh, for the chrome nails I did. She Modern Saturday. Did not turn out well. It took me quite a few times to get a good pickup. It was not the stamping polish by any means. I was using this image here. I was scraped too hard. I scraped too light. It was just... I was not having a good time. So now we're going to go with the, oh, this plate here is Maniology. This is... Oh boy, I can't see it. Hold on a second here. Let me put my eyes on. Maniology M050. This is a very popular plate. Very popular plate. This is Bundle Monster, which used to be... This is Bundle Monster, which is now... Holy cow, I'm drawing a brain fart. Oh my god, and you guys are in the comments just shouting it out at me too. Oh my god. This is embarrassing. Very embarrassing. So we're going to go in with the white. Go over this heart. Got a couple of tears in my stamper. Looks like 3. Oh my lord. These things are very fragile. You don't need to press down and go man hog wild on it, which is what I've done. First time was with, where'd it go? A little short stiletto nail. Tore my stamper. I was so upset. Tina sent me a new one. Some replacement heads. And I have not changed it yet because I figure, well, if I keep using those same shaped nails, it's just going to continue. Oops. to cut my stamper. The stamper head. And so I've just not changed it yet. I got one more to do. Uno más. Uno más. This will be the last of our stamping. There we shoot, I can't hold on to a nail to save me for nothing. So we've got our French, our black and white stamping. Clean my plate here. Let me get my palette out here. I'm going to put me out some black and white gel polish. My gel polish here is by Alan Bell off Amazon. It's just a cheaper brand that I found. That's way more than I need, probably. We're going to be doing a dot in the middle. The sun, we are doing a cow print. My white is Modelones. That's what the white nails are painted with. How am I going to do dotting, white dotting out? What do I need? Oh my god. Give it a total brain fart. I don't need the white. And this isn't the center of the nail. I'm so off. So let's do this diagonally, I guess. So we're gonna go with this for no rhyme, no reason. Whoops. Mashed that one, didn't I? Okay. Oops. We've got 3 different designs here so far. The index nail is going to be... Where did my black go? We're going to do a drag marble. It's going to be thick enough you can draw it, which you have to watch out for with the white polish. Because white, black will wrinkle. But that's the color monochrome that we are doing. So I'm hoping it is sufficient. We wipe this off. Go in with the black as well. I'm going to go with the small end of my dotting tool, which is kind of bent, but you know, maybe it'll be to my advantage. I don't know, it's been a long time since I've done drag marbling, let me tell you. Long time. We're talking years. Like since I did lacquer. That was the first year of my journey here in YouTube. So it's been 4 years since I probably done drag marbling. This one we're gonna do the cow print. I don't know when I put the white out for it, it was wasted polish. Try to thin this spot out there. Make this a little kind of heartprint there. I don't know. So that is our 5 shapes, 5 different designs. We're going to pop these in the lamp, give these a full 60-second cure. Okay, here we go, fresh out of the lamp with our monochrome black and white set. It did not have enough gel at all. Here's our black and white French. I think it turned out really well. Love that stamping plate by Maniology. Here's our black nail. White zebra print heart. Look at how beautiful long this nail is. It's just, I don't know. Love, love, love working on those. Like, these are probably good 3 inches, 3.5 inches. So my drag marbling is not up to par. Something I'll have to practice. Maybe do again in the future. And here is, whoa, our cow is running. We got a streaking going on. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't know if I'm going to repeat that probably 5 more times. Wow. I've never had that happen. Put that in for another 60. And we'll be back. Alright, we are back. We are out of the lamp now. We definitely had some streaking going on, some smearage over there. They were not cured properly there. It was on 60 seconds, which is ample time. Sufficient. I'm not happy about that, and I totally love the way this looks and feels, because that feels like a textured nail. It's abrased. But I'm happy with my monochrome mani for today. I gotta quit doing that. I just gotta quit. I just gotta quit. Give up the singing altogether. Anyways, this is my set. Very happy with it. Very happy with it. Wasn't sure what I was going to do at first. Figured why not do 5 different shapes, 5 different designs. Figure, who's going to expect that one, right? Well, let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. Any constructive criticism? I'm hoping my lamp ain't going on the fritz on me, because that wouldn't be a good thing. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. Anything important that comes across my desk. On your way out, give the video a thumbs up. Take a look around at what else I've got going on in my playlist. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.